Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready and installing a cross-platform transfer app on each. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or create an Android hotspot if no router is available. Make sure you grant the Android app storage and location permissions so it can read files. On the iPad, allow the app to receive files and access photos or files. Now open the app on both devices and be ready to pick the first files for sending. On Android, select the folders or individual items you want to move, using multi-select to reduce repeated steps. Once selected, tap Send to create a short 6-digit code or QR. This pairs the two apps securely. On the iPad, open Receive and either scan the QR or type the code. Transfers use Wi-Fi Direct when available, which is faster and avoids data usage. Keep both screens awake and the app in the foreground, while the progress bar completes to prevent interruptions. After the transfer finishes, accept and save the incoming files on the iPad, choosing Photos for images or the Files app for documents so they're easy to find later. Once saved, organize items into folders and optionally back everything up to iCloud for redundancy. If something goes wrong, first check that both devices remain on the same network and that permissions weren't revoked. Then retry using the Android hotspot for a direct link, or restart the apps and reinitiate the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.